very good combination of flavors. It's lunchtime and I'm here at 1986 to have lunch. And right in front of me is a mountain. Okay, and rows of shop houses here. There are many restaurants here. Actually, I wanted to come here to eat the bak kut teh, but it's not open. The Cha Heong bak kut teh is not open. So instead, I'm coming here to have Western food. Oh no, it's a fusion, Western fusion or something like that. Let's go and take a look at 1986. Okay, let's take a look inside to see what it's like. Okay, there's actually al fresco seats here. Okay, you can sit outside and breathe the fresh air. The air here in Kuluwang, Johor, Malaysia is actually very good, very fresh. And other than traditional places to eat, there are modern places like this. Okay, it looks very nice here. Okay, there's a fish tank here. Let's take a look at the fish tank. Okay, cute little fishes. Okay, very nice environment. Yeah. Okay, there are fans here. Even though there's air conditioning, there are also fans to keep the air circulating. Okay, very nice place. Okay, let's look at the bar. Okay, and the drink station is here. Okay, let's check out the menu also. Let's see what's on the menu. Okay, this one looks like what? I don't know what this is called, but it looks like some pasta thing. Okay, or Chinese pasta, mee hoon kueh kind of thing with fried chicken. Okay, and there's fried rice. And what is this? Taiwanese braised pork rice. Oh, okay, it's a mixture of Taiwanese, local, as well as there's claypot yi mee soup. Yeah, Taiwanese, local, and Western. Yeah, I see bacon here. Wow, the bacon looks very delicious with pasta carbonara bacon. Okay, so they got Western, got snacks, got cakes, sandwich, croissant. Okay, and the hot coffee. Okay, list of hot coffee and iced coffee and teas and stuff. Okay, teas are here. The teas are here. And what is this? Iced tea. I guess it's hot tea. And some mocktails, right? Mocktails. They call them the signature AE86. Baliu. Te Tiao. How is it? Don't know how to read. Okay, should I order this? Or there's something that caught my eye also, which is this fried fish don. Okay, looks like there's an egg, rice, broccoli and fried fish. There's lots of choices. They all look very nice. And this jumbo meat sausage croissant with egg also looks very nice. My food is here. My food is here. It looks exactly like the picture in the menu. Let's check it out. The egg here. Okay, it is what do you call it? It's a sunny side up, but it's the egg yolk is not runny. Okay, I think it's just nice for this bowl of dawn and a fried fish hidden at the bottom. Okay, with some creamy sauce. Okay, I'm gonna try it to see how it tastes like. Broccoli and tomatoes, and of course the rice at the bottom. Okay, and wow, look at that, fish and chips. Okay, but back to my don. Okay, I'm gonna taste test it. Okay, let's eat. Okay, let's try the fish first. It's nice. Fish is nice. piece of the fish. And the chicken chop just arrived. Chicken chop. Chop. Chicken chop. And I've also ordered a cup of hot mocha. Okay, I'm gonna take a sip of the mocha. Not too bad, but a little too sweet for my liking. And the people who eat here are the Instagrammable, the uncles, and the aunties. Okay, 谢谢。